Hi everybody, this is your HEA-110 LN1 instructor Brian Kaprowski. I'd like to welcome everybody into this course. It's great to have you. Really happy that you signed up to take this course with me during the fall 2021 semester. I'm creating this video because I want to go over some important points about the class. I want to give you some insight on how the class will be run and how we will move forward throughout the semester together. First thing I want to share with you is the homepage for the course here on Blackboard. And the first tab here is the Start Here tab. So let's start there. Okay. You can see here, this is where you can locate the syllabus. In addition to that, I need you to start this course today, and I need you to click on the Orientation tab in the Start Here tab. I want you to read through each of the steps here in the Orientation tab. So step 1, a course tour. Step 2, review the syllabus. And we are going to review the syllabus here very shortly. I want to go over the important points and things for you to pay attention to on it. The expectations, this is really important. So step 4, email. So I want you to follow the instructions here, and I need you to send me this email by the 19th. Okay, so by August the 19th, I need you to complete this task. Step 5, step 6. In addition to that step 4, I need you to complete step 8. That's the online orientation quiz. Okay, and then I also need you to complete step 9, the consent form and accountability statement. So remember, by the 19th, I need you to do step 9, 8, and step 4. Okay, if you don't do these steps by the 19th, that may result, or that will result, I should say, in you being dropped from the course, because you have to meet those requirements for our census period. Underneath the Start Here tab is the announcements. The announcements I'll send out to you weekly. It will contain information on the various assignments coming up in the course. It will send you reminders on what is due, and it will help you with the final project that is due at the very end of the class, and it'll also give you more insight and detail into the exercise logs that are due throughout this semester as well. The announcement will be, again, posted on the website, and you should receive an email to your Cougar mail as well. Contacts, this is just my contact information. It gives you a little bit of a background on me. This is our department chair, Dr. Brian, and our dean are listed here. Course resources. Again, the syllabuses. If you're having any technical difficulties with Blackboard, suppose you're unable to log in, or maybe you're not able to access a certain component in Blackboard, I unfortunately can't help you with those technical issues. You'll need to contact our IT department for further assistance there. Okay, this will be a good time. Let's go over the course syllabus. This is my office phone here. If you need to call me, my preferred method of contact is email, but feel free to call me if you need to speak to me, in person. My physical office location is at the Chatham Health and Science Center. It's a beautiful, brand new facility that we have here in Pittsburgh. And we have a state-of-the-art weight room, which is really great to have at this complex. If you ever have an opportunity to take one of the weight training classes here, I would strongly encourage you to do so. If you need to schedule an appointment with me, click on my Calendly link here and set up a time that works best for you. But if you would like to come in and meet with me on Monday through Friday, my student hours are from 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. Just shoot me an email and let me know that you're coming. I answer emails within 24 hours during the business week, Monday through Friday, and within 48 hours if you send that email after 5 p.m. on Friday, and then again 48 hours Saturday through Sunday. Gives you a course description. What's nice about this course, to save you a little bit of money, the text is actually built into the course. So you weren't charged and you don't have to pay any money for that course text. If this is your first time taking an online class, you're probably wondering, how do we take attendance? Well, the way we do it is the due date for the assignments. As long as you turn it in on the due date or before the due date, you're counted as present in the class. If you submit the assignment after the due date or you don't submit the assignment at all, you are considered absent. Something important to note: if you don't send me an email and you don't complete the assignments in a 2-week period of time, there is the option of you being dropped from the course. Okay, this is the grading scale. It's your standard CCCC grading scale. This is how your final grade will be calculated in the class. So your weekly assignments, that includes your writing assignments, your labs, your discussion board forums, they account for 60% of your grade. Your chapter quizzes account for 20% of your grade, and your exercise journals account for 20%. Okay, let's keep scrolling down. I think I passed something that's really important. Late assignment policy. This is something you need to know as well. Assignments submitted after the due date will be accepted with a deduction of 10 points per each day that is turned in late. So every day that you turn in late, it'll take off 10, I'll take off 10 points, and so on. Past due assignments will only be available for 1 week after the scheduled due dates. And then after that 1 week has passed, you will no longer be able to turn in an assignment late. Scroll back down here. So this is our course calendar. I know in Blackboard that there is a calendar and that you can use to look at the assignment due dates. I've had some issues in the past where the due dates aren't syncing up correctly with the Blackboard calendar. So I would encourage you to pay attention to this calendar on the syllabus. So to find out all the various due dates, pay attention to this calendar. Again, as I mentioned, remember step 4, step 8, and step 9 under the Start Here tab. I need you to complete those for the census on the 19th. And then you can see our various concepts that are due. So those concepts are basically chapters that you will need to complete in the assignments in the chapters. And everything is detailed here on what to do for each week. And the due date is listed here and highlighted in yellow. So it tells you what to read. It tells you the internet article reading quizzes due, the written assignment, SMART goals, your concept 1 lab activity, evaluation lab, your discussion board 1. And those will all be due on 8/25. In addition to that, I need you to start working on the exercise log, and that's located in concept 2. And you're probably thinking, an exercise log, that it may seem a little overwhelming at first, but it really isn't. You're basically creating your own workout program, your own exercise program. And what I'm looking for is you to devise and think of creative activities that you could perform to help meet your fitness goals. And the key point to this and how to achieve the maximum amount of points on this particular assignment is I'm looking for variation. So I'm not looking for you to submit the exact same log every single week. I'm looking for variation in activities. So if you're playing basketball, let's say you're running and jogging, I'm looking for some variation. So instead of playing basketball, you might play soccer. And instead of jogging, you might go biking. So I'm just looking for that variation. So, and that's what I want to see. So as these assignments move forward, if you're not providing me with that variation in the exercise logs, points will be taken off on those logs. Okay. And the very end of the class, you can see here, is on the 8th. So let's go back into the class real quick. And let's look at the modules. Okay, so this module is due on the 25th. So you can see here, it gives you a nice overview of what is due. And you can click here and it'll take you right to the textbook and actually right to the chapter where you're going to need to read in order to complete the assignments listed here. There is a PowerPoint I included. It'll give you a better visual representation of all the important material covered in the chapter. This icon here indicates that this is a discussion board, so I need you to complete that. This is a Chapter 1 lab that you will need to complete, and this is a Chapter 1 written assignments. They're SMART goals, and then I need you to complete the Healthy People 2030 assignment as well. And remember, the due date is for that is August the 25th. And remember, during the 25th as well, you need to start working on your exercise logs. I'll send out some another announcement and another video on the exercise logs, and I'll help you to be able to create them. But again, welcome to this course. It's great to have you, and looking forward to meeting with all of you throughout the semester. Thanks.